best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Gas in the back of the sun, never leaves, she's so bad that the chick made the bed. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves, she's so bad that the chick made the bed. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves, she's so bad that the chick made the bed. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves, she's so bad that the chick made the bed. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this.
And this is, you can see, nice flower white. You know what kind of flower is it? This is, they call it gardenia flower. Very nice smell, like sampaguita, guys. So this is beautiful white gardenia. So much flower. Yeah, you like it? Me, I like it. And this is mangoes, full of fruit of mango. I like the color. You know, it's purple. You see this one? Look, purple color mango. I love it. So nice to see them, guys. So beautiful. Look at this, so purple full of mango. But we call it this one, even the purple color, guys, we call it Indian mango. Sweet and nice. We call it actually apple mango. As you can see, it's look like apple. And this is like Christmas tree, but you know what is this kind of tree? This is another kind of dates. They call it dates, but this date is the black. Okay guys, not the dates that like other dates that very sweet. This one is black color, but